welcome back. I hope you are having a fantastic day. So, before we get into the video, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I want to say thank you again, especially to my returning subscribers. You guys mean so much to me and I appreciate your support. If you are new, my name is Nikki. Again, welcome. I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We do all kinds of unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, pets, snacks, jewelry, everything. We do it all here. We do makeup reviews and hauls, live streams, giveaways. We have a lot of fun and I would love for you to join our family here on YouTube. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. But as you can see from the title, this is the November 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. However, if you noticed, there's a little bit of a switch up here. Instead of just doing a unboxing, I just have one mysterious item because we're doing a giveaway. So Thrift-A-Bag, the owner, reached out and asked if we could do a Black Friday giveaway. And I was like, absolutely, because you guys know I love giving back to you. So we are doing just that. So I'm going to go over Thrift-A-Bag and what the subscription and everything is first, and then we'll go into actually seeing what is in here and what you have a chance to win, and then the rules. So Thrift-A-Bag is a monthly purse subscription. It is amazing, you guys. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do have a coupon, SNMOM, that will save you $5 off your first box. So you receive 3 pre-owned and sometimes brand new bags every month. And let's see. They could vary from totes, clutches, shoulder bags, wallets, cosmetic cases, wristlets, backpacks, and more. And the handbags could be anything from vintage to modern. They will have brand names such as Coach, Michael Kors, Betsy Johnson, Calvin Klein, The Sack, Macy's, Kate Spade, Dana Buchman, Dooney and Bourke, DKNY, Vera Bradley, Guess, Tommy Hilfiger, Steve Madden, Nine West, just to name a few. So you are definitely getting brand name bags. Now, you're not getting designer bags. Let's clear that up. You're not going to get, you know, a Louis Vuitton or a Birkin bag or anything like that. However, you are getting brand name bags that are really, really amazing, beautiful bags. Every bag I have ever received has been immaculate. And honestly, I think I have received more new bags than I have used or pre-owned bags. The owner and curator of this subscription does an absolutely amazing job at finding the most beautiful bags. And like I said, a lot of the times they are brand new. They still have the tags on them. One thing I love normally with the subscription, now obviously that's not the case this month, but one thing when you open the box, there is always a gift bag. And I love that because what the message or meaning for that is, if one of the 3 bags isn't really your taste or style, but yet you know someone who may love it, she includes a gift bag so that you can gift one of the items in your box. And I think that is so awesome. So you can go on and kind of fill out a profile to kind of give her an idea of what you like. Now, nothing is guaranteed. The element of surprise is part of what comes with a subscription, so keep that in mind. Also, there are options where you can go quarterly. You don't have to get this every month if you don't want to, but I just think that, you know, 3 bags, I mean, because I have gotten backpacks, I have gotten lunch bags, I have gotten wristlets, I've gotten wallets, I have gotten tote bags, shoulder bags, crossbody bags. I mean, literally any type of bag you can think of, or wallet, any type of accessory as far as handbags go, I have gotten with this subscription. So the variety is amazing. The quality is amazing. The brands, the bags, everything looks so, so wonderful. And like I said, it's just immaculate. She does an amazing job, if it is a pre-owned bag, at having it cleaned to where it looks brand new. And then, like I said, most of the time, there's at least one, if not two of the three items being brand new, for me anyway, and others I have seen the case have the same. So she does a fantastic job. So like I said, I will put that link down below, as well as that promo code SNMOM to save you $5 if you would like to sign up. So you want to see what's in here and what you could win for our Black Friday Thrift-A-Bag giveaway? Are you ready? You want to see? All right. It is a brand new, very gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. Let's see. Now I am going to, it's obviously, you can see it's in a bag. Everything's wrapped up. But so that I can show you, I'm going to take it out of this bag. I'm actually just going to cut it so that way I can put it back in this same bag. You ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. So you can see it is like a crossbody, or if you wanted to do it as a shoulder bag. Brand new Michael Kors. Y'all, and is this not like gorgeous? You've got this hunter green, beautiful, and then the back is the brown with the MK. You do have a zipper pouch here. And you can open that and put stuff in there. And then that is just a button closure. Folds out here. You have some help if I was showing you. Folds out, you've got some card slots and a little zipper here. More card slots here. And then you have a section, more card slots here and then a section here. I'm gonna leave the little booklet in there about the bag because like I said, it is brand new. It does, like I said, still have the tag on it. Crossbodies, green version, $178. So you can see right there. So this is just gorgeous. Is this not just like absolutely stunning? I love this so much. Michael Kors is one of my favorites, and I think this is just beautiful. And then you can see here, it does have a gold chain. It says Michael Kors there. And then it just goes up. Like I said, it is a crossbody. Now you can take this off. It clips, so you can remove this if you want to just kind of use this as a clutch. So you have different options. So happy Black Friday. So one of you has the chance to win this brand new, gorgeous Michael Kors crossbody that, like I said, can also be converted to like a clutch. So let me put this back in the plastic bag here. Y'all, I think that is just stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so what do you need to do to enter? Well, one, you obviously need to be subscribed to my channel. That is why I do giveaways. I love giving back to you guys and just showing you my appreciation for your support. It means so much to me. You will need to leave a comment because I'm going to use a random comment picker and just put the word thankful in your comment, because obviously the day before Black Friday is Thanksgiving. So just tell me something you're thankful for, but make sure you say, I am thankful. So when I go to use the random comment picker, I can put the word thankful in and it will select a comment with that word in it. You must like this video and please go follow Thrift-A-Bag on Instagram. I will put the handle down below for you guys. Also, you can follow Thrift-A-Bag on Cratejoy and Facebook if you would like to. But the following them on Instagram, please, will actually get you a bonus entry. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram and we can be friends, that would be fine as well. That is at SouthernMom521. So please, like I said, make sure you are subscribed, like this video, leave a comment that telling me something you're thankful for, but make sure you, again, use the word thankful, because that's what I'm going to be putting into the random comment picker. Now, this giveaway will start today and it will run through Black Friday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the day after, I will use a random comment picker to select a winner. I will pin their comment and reply letting them know that they have won. You will have 48 hours to respond to me and claim your prize with your, or get in touch with me with your shipping information, and then I will get this out to you. So good luck. Also, please be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. And this is going to be a US only giveaway. So please have a US shipping address. Now, if you live outside of the US, that is fine. Just make sure that you have a US shipping address for me to send this to. So we're going to recap really quick. Be subscribed, like the video, leave a comment telling me something you're thankful for, but make sure to use the word thankful. Please follow Thrift-A-Bag over on Instagram, and be over the age of 18 or have parents' permission, a US shipping address. And like I said, this was going to run through Black Friday, which I believe is the 28th. I do not have a calendar in front of me, but I do believe that is November 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or is it the 29th? I think it might be the 29th. It will be listed down below with the date, with the correct date. And then the following day, that Saturday, I will use a random comment picker, like I said, and I will reply to the winner's comment and pin it and let them know that they have won. They will have 48 hours. Otherwise, I will pick a different winner. So good luck. I hope you guys like the bag. I think it is absolutely beautiful. It is stunning, and I can't wait for one of you to win. So good luck to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.